The ultimate AI solopreneur stack. Run your entire business solo, faster than a full team. Juggling client tasks, marketing, and admin overload? Streamlined AI systems now handle the chaos for you, effortlessly. No more late-night sales work. Automated workflows nurture leads, schedule follow-ups, and close deals while you sleep. Struggling with content creation? AI now turns your ideas into engaging posts, polished videos, and eye-catching designs instantly. What will you achieve when smart systems handle the rest? The future of solo business is here. AI for daily planning and ideas. Transform chaos into clarity and turn your vision into a step-by-step plan in minutes. Ever feel mentally cluttered or unsure where to start? AI brings instant focus and structure to your daily routine. Need content ideas? Just type your goals into ChatGPT and receive fresh, customized inspiration in seconds. Struggling to outline a project? Tell ChatGPT your objective and get a step-by-step outline, instantly organized. Turn brainstormed ideas into actionable tasks. Notion AI fills out your to-do list so nothing gets missed. Set smart reminders automatically. Let AI handle alerts so you never miss an important deadline or meeting. Tired of long notes? Instantly summarize your meetings and ideas with AI, making information fast and searchable. Ready to own your day? Discover what you can accomplish when you plan smarter with AI. Communication and support automation. This setup can handle 90% of your inquiries automatically. Ever missed an important email or double-booked a meeting? Manual replies slow you down. AI chatbots answer customer questions on your site 24/7, improving response time and satisfaction. Automated email replies handle routine questions instantly, freeing you to focus on higher-value tasks. Appointment slots fill themselves as bots schedule meetings for you, even outside business hours. Ready to put your communication on autopilot and reclaim your time? Content creation, writing, images, and video. Automate this crucial step and reclaim hours for what matters most. Creating great content is time-consuming, especially for one-person businesses. But new tools can change everything. Jasper AI drafts articles, social posts, and ads in minutes. Just add your topic and watch ideas flow. Canva Magic Studio creates stunning graphics, presentations, and even logos. No design background needed. Need video? Synthesia lets you produce professional clips. No camera or filming skills required. Combine these tools to make professional content across formats without the heavy lifting or long hours. Ready to create more and stress less? The right tools truly make all the difference. Step 6. Financials, invoicing, and analytics. Streamline your money management from start to finish. Messy bookkeeping, late payments, and confusing reports can drain your time and energy. Automated tools create invoices and track expenses so you never miss a payment or receipt. Connect your accounts and get paid instantly, reducing wait times and improving your cash flow. Visual dashboards turn your earnings and expenses into actionable insights. See where you stand in real time. Take control of your finances. Spend less time managing money and more time growing it. Connecting everything, integrations, and automations. This is how you get your digital tools to work for you 24/7. Tired of copying info between your apps by hand? Integrations eliminate tedious manual work instantly. When a purchase is made, an automation instantly creates and assigns a new task for your team. When a client fills out your form, they're automatically added to your email marketing list. No extra steps. When a new support ticket arrives, your CRM updates the customer's record instantly, keeping your data in sync. With your system connected, business flows smoothly. What will you accomplish with all the time you save? Continuous learning and improvement. AI can turn your data into your next winning strategy. When progress stalls, data-driven analysis reveals what's happening and where to focus next. Track your results. Precise analytics expose your strengths and pinpoint what needs improvement. Spot new opportunities quickly. Systematic feedback uncovers trends and gaps you might have missed. Let AI-powered suggestions guide your pivots. Adjust fast and stay ahead of changes in your market. Constant learning leads to unstoppable progress. The future belongs to those who adapt. AI Tech Stack for Solopreneurs. This automates your entire business, from idea to invoice. Solo business owners lose precious hours on routine tasks. A smart AI stack changes that instantly. Managing projects and creating content becomes faster and clearer. AI streamlines tasks so nothing slips through. Client messages, scheduling, and invoicing all handled as you work. Admin stress fades, results shine. What will you automate next to unlock your business's growth? The future of solo work is here.